All right. Hello everyone. Welcome to another client masterclass section. We're glad to have you with us. We'll be looking at a very practical topic. Today is going to be basically practical. How to set up your Forex account. How do you set it up? How do you start trading with real money? Well, we touched on using a demo account earlier. Today we're going to touch on how to actually set up a real Forex account so that when you are carrying out your trades, when you want to start trading, when how you want to be profitable. I'm going to show you that today, and that is going to be all. So let's get started. How to set up your first forex trading account step by step, step by step. Sorry, if you can hear me, can I just get a reaction? Just send a thumbs up or just send a message. All right. Thank you so much, Charles. Praise Charles. All right, so we'll get started. How to set up your first forex trading account step by step process. All right, so first of all, we have to talk about what Kleinial is. Probably this is your first time of joining us, or you have probably forgotten what Kleinial is all about, or what's our goal, what's our mission at Kleinial. So it's very easy. Kleinial is an edtech company dedicated to empower individuals with the knowledge and skills to understand and navigate the world of Web3 and cryptocurrency. So basically, what Kleinial is all about is one year to make sure your Web3 journey and your cryptocurrency journey is very easy, it's very simplified. We're here to like teach you the step-by-step processes that you need to know during your Web3 and your cryptocurrency journey. Probably we have all everybody here has all heard about cryptocurrency or Web3 in general, or even forex trading. We'll probably be confused or don't know how to navigate it or know what we need to do. So Kleiner is here to simplify the processes and make everything seamless for you, because what we see out there are mostly signal groups. Signal groups are not bad, but you can't enter a signal group if you don't know how to place the signal. It's just as the same way that you cannot invest into a token if you don't know how to play, if you don't know how to make the investment, or you cannot just invest blindly into a token because you probably heard someone saying this is the next token that is going to do well. Yes, that token may actually do well, but why are you buying into the token? What's the need of buying into the token? What's the meta behind the token? Why is the token? Why does the person feel the token is going to pump? So you can't really make an investment real world in real world doing your real world businesses or even investment in cryptocurrency without making research. You must have the right knowledge, the right research, the right skills, the right mindset in order to know how to navigate that space, because the whole crypto space is a very wide space. There are a whole lot of things you need to learn, you need to know. I mean, everybody keeps learning and keeps improving, because crypto is really, really wide, it's really large for one person to know everything, right? Everybody keeps improving. So Clyde is here to simplify your process. Probably you are looking to start your journey in cryptocurrency and Web3 in forex, your forex journey. We are yet to make sure that your journey is smooth and very effective. You get the whole knowledge you need to how to attack the market, and then you're able to create passive income, because the end goal of everything is to be able to create passive income, because you can't just be doing anything and then you don't just have passive income. You have to be able to create passive income after learning everything that you have learned. All right, so like I said, today is going to be a very practical class. Today is very going to be a very practical class. We'll be talking about how to step by step process on how to set up your cryptocurrency, your forex wallet. Sorry about that. Sorry, trying to set up. Sorry about that. Okay, so sorry about that. Please, if you can hear me, can you still hear me? Are you still here with me? Please, can I just get reaction? All right. Sorry about that. My network went off. Okay, so we get started. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to touch on how to place your first forex trade safely. Then we're going to touch on who is actually a forex trader and a spot analyst. We're going to touch on that because it's very important for us to know who a forex and a spot analyst is. The forex and the spot analyst um, they covered almost the half. If being a forex analyst or being a spot analyst covers like 50% of the crypto space. So it's very important for you to know who a forex and a spot analyst is, to know which one you want to be. Then we are going to talk about how you can achieve the success, how you can be a forex and a spot analyst, and then how to get started, how to join our June cohorts that is starting on June 6th, to know what you need to do, the details. We're going to dive into the details in full. So we're going to look at this case study today, case study on how to open your first forex trading account. So we are going to be looking at the character John. So John is a beginner in forex trading. He's trying to open his first forex account after getting enough experience from trading on a demo account. Yes, so before you open a real forex account, it is advisable that you have learned how to trade on your demo account so that you can get the experience you need, right? So that's why we first touched on how to create a demo account first before now and learning how to create a real forex account. But if you were not here for during our master class, know how to create a demo account, you can just go to visit our YouTube link and the video is there for you to watch and just learn how to create a demo account, a forex demo account. So all right, we go ahead. So John is a beginner in forex trading. He's trying to open his first forex after getting enough experience from trading on a demo account. He uses a forex broker. He uses a forex broker. He uses MetaTrader 5 to place his trade, and this helps him to become a profitable trader. So we're going to be using our forex broker. We're going to be using here today is the Reeve, and then we're going to be using MetaTrader 5 to actually place this trade. I'm going to show you how to create a Forex Broker account, a real Forex Broker account, because earlier we created a demo Forex Broker account. So right now we're going to learn how to create a real Forex Broker account, and then we're going to also learn how to create a MetaTrader 5 account so that we can be able to place our trades on our MetaTrader 5, and then learn how to become profitable. I just show us how to use it. So the tools used today is going to be Debrief and MetaTrader 5. Sorry, there's a mistake here. It's supposed to be Debrief and MetaTrader 5. So we go ahead. Today is going to be a very practical class, like I said. So I'm going to be sharing my mobile screen because most people, almost everyone, like to use our mobile devices to carry out trades. It's not always easy for us to use our desktop to carry out trades. So I'm going to switch to my mobile device, and I'm going to share my screen on how to actually create your Forex account. So just give me a moment. Let me share my account, my screen. All right. So for us to use the Rev, we'll open our Rev on our web page, right? Open the Rev on our web page. So I said we're going to be using the Rev as our we're going to be using the Rev as our broker, today. So our the Rev is already here, but the website is www.therev.com. So all you need to do is you click on it, and then you either open an account. If you don't have an account, you open an account. So let's just click on open an account. But I already have an account, so but I'm just going to show us what you need to open an account. So click on open an account. All you need to do is you input your email address, right? You input your email address, then you input the password that you're going to use to access the account. It's just your basic way to create accounts with any platform you're trying to open. So after that, I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in directly to my account. So I just click on login, then use this. All right. So okay, that's logged in. Right. So I'm just waiting for it to load. All right. So for you to be able to use your DBIV account, right? Number one, you have to deposit. So how do you deposit? This deposit um symbol that is right here, that you can see 0.7 USDC. I already have money in the account, but if you want to deposit, you just have to click on this drop down menu here and you click on USDT, right? Because USDT TRC20, USDT on TRC20 and going to deposit. So you have to deposit in crypto, right? You have to deposit in crypto to the RIV account so that you can be able to use it to trade. All right, so just give it a moment, it's loading. Okay. Otherwise, taking a whole lot of time trying to load the site. Okay, so as I've said before, I already have deposited. I already have money in my. I already have USDT deposited in my account. So all I need to do is I'll click on deposit. If I click on deposit, a wallet address is going to give it to me. Like I said before, for you to deposit it to your Forex account, you have to deposit crypto USDT on TRC. You have to deposit USDT on TRC20, right? So that's the way you can deposit through crypto. So you are going to be given immediately you want to deposit, you're going to be given a wallet address, like your account number, like I've explained before. So you're going to give you a wallet address. All you have to do is just copy this wallet address, then you send USDT or TRC20 chain to your account, and that's all. It comes very fast. Just need to deposit your crypto, and then everything um, comes. So next we are going to set up the account. So for us to set up our accounts that will connect to our MetaTrader 5, all we have to do click on CFDS. Once you click on CFDS, we're going to use Meta 5 swap. That's this one here that is showing open and transfer. So all you have to do, once you click, you can use any one here, but we're going to use this Meta Trader 5 swap. So we'll click on, first of all, before we transfer our money, because when you transfer your money to the RIV, it's on the RIV, it's on the RIV account. It's there, it's a MetaTrader 5 account. So what we're going to do, we want to send money to our MetaTrader 5 accounts now. So all you have to do, you click on open. Once you click on open, I'm going to copy broker. First of all, I'm going to copy the broker. Then I'll go to my MetaTrader 5. Go to my MetaTrader 5, I click on manage accounts. Then click on the plus sign here to add the RIV accounts. Then I click on find broker. Then what I've copied, I just need to paste it. And then it brings it out. I click on okay, I click on it. Then when you click on it, you need to input your login. Then your login is already here. You click on your login ID. Then you click on paste. Then for passwords, my password is already saved, so I'll click on paste to the login changed. All right, so click on login. So now it's there already. You can see that the MetaTrader is the derivative is connected to the MetaTrader 5. So what I'm going to do now, I have to transfer money now into the account. So I'll just come here, then click on transfer, then all. The funds has been transferred successfully. So the money has gone to into our MetaTrader 5. So we can we can literally sit in our wallets when we in our MetaTrader 5 when we log into it. All right, so sign in. Right, give me a moment. Okay, okay, so it didn't work earlier because the server was a different one. It was on demo instead of server. I did it with that right earlier. So okay, all we have to do is now just put our password and then it works. All right, so now the 3 USDC that I've already transferred to it, you can see it here, 3.82 USDC. It's already in our account. So now we have money in our account to trade. So all we need to do now, go to charts. Um, so go to quotes. Then there are a whole lot of trades that we can enter, or we can add our own trade. We can say which symbol. Let's use euro USD, euro USD, or let's use British pound. We click on add. So once you have added it, it appears here. You can see it here bottom. So what this means is that we're saying the euro currency is going to be strong against the British pound. So how do we open trades? Or you can open trade by clicking on this British pound USD, and then first of all you click on charts to see the charts. So now I've seen the charts. What do we do if you want to open trade? Let's say you want to sell or you want to buy. So now this one here specifies our lot size. So lot size, the higher the lot size you use, the more money in your account you need to enter the trade. So for your lot size now, and your lot size, the higher the lot size you use, the closer your liquidation price. So we're going to use our lot size, we're going to put it at 0.1. Sorry, 0.1. 0.1. And then if you want to sell, there are two ways to trade on your. Yes, you can also use the Derivo app. You can download the Derivo app on your phone. But then the I just used the websites. I just used the websites to do everything I needed to do. Well, you can use the Derivo app on your phone. I think we are going to use that. So I'm going to download the Derivo app so I can show us how to navigate it. So okay, so what we're going to do is we just for us to sell now. There are two ways to buy or sell on your MetaTrader 5. Either you buy or sell on market order. Market order means immediately, or you buy or sell on limit order. Limit order means immediately it reach that price you want it to buy or sell at that particular point. So we have put our lot size. Lot size is 0.1. So we're going to put sell. All you need to do. So right now we're selling on market order. I'm going to show us how to sell on limit order. So once you click on sell, accept conditions. So once you click on sell, okay, so it's showing not enough money. So because we don't have enough money, so the leverage 0.1 leverage is even so much for us to use. So we can use 0.01, 0.01. So now it works because lower leverage, lesser amount of money you need, but higher leverage, higher amount of money you need to enter the trade. So now we've already clicked on sell. The trade is already going on. If you want to see the trade that is ongoing, just click on trade here. And we can see that we're currently at $26 loss, right? And sorry, I'm saying $26 loss, 27 cents. We're currently at 27 cents loss. So if you want to close every position, you can just click on these three buttons right up here, and you can click close all positions, or you can just also okay, sorry, you can click on it and use close all positions, and then all your positions are closed. Then if you want to buy on limits, if you want to buy on limits, we just this buy and sell is market buy. So now we want to buy on limits. All you have to do, you click on this. Okay, let me do that again. We'll click on this button close to your M5. Once you click on the button, you see buy limits. So you can set the price you want to use to buy, or where you want the market to buy or sell. So you click on buy limits. Because of so now you can set it. Where do we want markets to buy, or where do we want the market to sell? You can say, okay, we want markets to sell here, or what market. This is sell. This is sell means you are saying the market is going to go down, then buy means you are saying the market is going to go up. So now this is buy stop. Buy stop means that you are saying the market is going to go up. But now we want sell stop. Sorry about that. So now I want sell stop. Okay, you just have to click on it. So once you click on it once, you get your sell stop, and then you enter your trade. But once a sell stop, right? So we're going to put a sell stop. Let's say we put our sell stop here, and then we can set our SL and TP. SL means where you want if the market reaches that price, your trade should close. That is if you have any loss. Then if the market for TPs, if the market reaches that price, and you are saying that the market is going to if the market reaches that price, that is your take profit. TP is take profit. SL is stop loss. So we can just put sell stop. We can put SL or SL at yes, it's a sell. Sell means when the market is so high. If the market goes high, that means it's against you. But if the market goes down, that means it's for you. So this is why in a sell, what enter is a sell trade. That is why I saying the market is going to go down. We just put our SL points up. Then our TP, you can just put it down here. And then once you are done with that, just click the arrow. Sorry. Sorry about that. Stop. Okay, so it's the order is already there. All right. About that. Okay. Bye. So TP. Okay. Then we'll click on buy. The arrow here. Then we'll click on it. Then this points up here is just our lot size. Which lot size you want to use? 0.01. That's our lot size. Then all you need to do is just click on place. You can also still manually adjust the price you want to enter. Manually adjust your SL and your TP, and then this is the price you want to enter. This is your SL, this is your TP. So you just click on place. Then your trade has gone your trade has gone through. So once the market comes up to this point, still bites, and then if it goes down to this point, this is where your SL, then this place is your take profits, and that's also all how to set your trades on your MetaTrader 5. You can see right here it's showing placed, and you can see your SL price, you can see your entry price at 0 points and 8.8 at 84 cents and 40. No. MetaTrader 5. Yes, some crypto pairs are on MetaTrader 5, right? That some crypto pairs are on MetaTrader 5, like BTC, and but they are not as much as the ones that you see on they're not as much as the ones you see on your crypto apps, your centralized exchanges. So most times, if you want to enter technical analysis, it's better to enter on centralized exchange instead of your Forex application. So yeah, That's just all about placing your trades on MetaTrader 5. So let's download the let's download the Reef Go app. Right, just wait for it to load. It's still the same process. If you already have an account, all you have to do is just to sign up, and then your account is going to be put in. All right. Okay, so like I said, log in. If you already have an account, you just have to log in. It's because of my inputting my password. That's why the screen went blank. It's not that. So once I'm just done inputting my password and everything, the screen will come back on. So like I said now, you can see that it's still the same thing. The money I had earlier in my derivative is still here, right? And then you can see our if you open a position on the derivative itself, you can see your position here, the trades, the same thing and everything. For derivative go, you can still trade on derivative go, but it's way better to trade. It's advisable for you to trade on your MetaTrader 5. Sorry about all this. Get it done. All right. So if like now, if you're on your real account, so it's the same way that if you want to transfer to your if you want to transfer money to your MetaTrader 5, all you have to still do, you come to your hub and then you see CFDs like before on the website, and then just click on it because money is already here already. But you can see that this account is already set up. This is the money in my MetaTrader 5. Then if you want to transfer into it, all you have to do is transfer. You can see your transfer here. Click on transfer. Once you click on transfer, it will take you back to the website. That's why I just used the website earlier. So it's still the same thing. You can see there's transfer, and this is another way for you to still, if you want to withdraw your money for easier, like you have money in your MetaTrader 5 and you want to withdraw it after making profits, all you still have to do is, this is to deposit. All you have to do is just click on withdraw, and then your money gets sent back to your Deriv account. Then from your Deriv account, you can send your money to your cryptocurrency wallet, because the money comes at cryptocurrency USDT TRC20. So you just send your USDT back to your centralized exchange application, and that's all. That's all you need to do to be able to create your Forex accounts. So I'm going to get back into the section right now. All right. Okay. So just show you how to use Deriv and MetaTrader 5. That's basically the basics. That is basically everything you need to know to know how to start up your Forex. So I know how to set up a Forex account using Deriv as a broker, MetaTrader 5. You can also use Excess as a broker if you want to use it. But I use Deriv so that we can see different interfaces and how they interact, how different brokers interact. Deriv and Excess are like the main brokers for Forex traders. So the ISA Act 2025 that was enacted March 20 at March 2025. This act was last was last reviewed 2027, but now the new act has been reviewed again in March 2025. And what this whole act says is recognizes cryptocurrency as a security. And what does that mean? That means cryptocurrency is now legally recognized in Nigeria. And it also says that Ponzi schemes, Ponzi schemes and other fraudulent investment schemes are expressly banned by the new law. The act does not just outlaw these scams, it also prescribes tough penalties, including hefty jail terms for anyone promoting or operating such schemes. So people that have Ponzi schemes, if anyone that promotes Ponzi act attacks them, and then this act also makes sure that say Nigeria. And what does this mean? The federal government of Nigeria can't sign in a law, or the president can't sign a law that is not profitable for the people, because he has seen that okay, even though that Nigeria is really slow at the adaptation of cryptocurrency, despite other countries have already adapted cryptocurrency, but now he has seen that cryptocurrency is a way of decentralized digital finance. And what does that mean? It means that better interactions, better financial decisions can be made using cryptocurrency. It's making sure that financial transactions are way easier. You are saying that okay, digital assets makes financial transactions way easier. The process is way smooth, and then it's a whole lot safe, because every transaction that is being carried out can be tracked on the blockchain. So you can't actually be scammed when carrying out a digital carrying out a cryptocurrency transactions. And I has always seen, the federal government has also seen that cryptocurrency now is a way to create passive income for the citizens of Nigeria. So what does this mean? It means that cryptocurrency is now fully legal, and then it's now a security. All right. So 6-step strategy you need to succeed in trading digital assets. Number one, you have to identify your parts. Identifying your parts means you have to know if you want to be a forex trader or a forex analyst or a sports analyst. I don't want to use forex trader or sports trader, because being a forex or a sports analyst is not just a one-day thing. It's just like when you want to learn tech, when you are learning a new skill, even though it's a tech skill or whatever skill you're learning, it takes a whole lot of time. It takes a whole lot of processes to learn. You don't just learn it at a point at a particular time. So it's something that you develop over time. So for you to be a forex analyst or a spot analyst, you have to know which one you want to be. Do you want to become a forex analyst that you are making predictions for currency pairs, or you want to become a spot analyst that you buy and sell cryptocurrencies, or even buy and sell stocks of different companies? Yeah, you have to learn this skill. Learn, okay, what do I need to do to become a forex analyst? You have to learn the skill, because the skill you have to learn it. Then practice simulations means you have to be practicing constantly, like how we talked about demo accounts, setting up demo accounts, you setting up demo accounts as a forex trader, right? That's sort of a practice simulation, because if you use a demo account now, you can be able to know the experience, can be able to experience how MetaTrader 5 works, or how Drift or any other broker works without putting your real money in it. For practice simulations help you to become a better trader, and for you to learn lessons and be able to get examples. Then gain trade psychology and risk mastery. One-on-one sections with experts helps to gain trade psychology. Live trading analysis, when you have live trading analysis with other traders like yourself, other forex analysts like yourself, you gain mastery, because risk mastery and trade psychology. Because once you see what other traders are doing, the parts that you're not good in, you get better. Then navigating financial investments, you will know how to be able to know how much money you're supposed to put in forex trade, or how much money you're supposed to put in investing in cryptocurrency. Then mentorship also helps you gain trade psychology, because who are mentors? Mentors are people that have gone the routes that you want to go, that have gone through the paths that you want to go. So they have seen they have learned lessons throughout the time they have been on that path, or they have made mistakes that they will not want you to make. So mentors, they are there to help you and guide you. Then and networking means that people with your same like minds, like other forex analysts, you are going to be able to network. You should be able to network with them. Once you're able to network with them, you people can be able to build your portfolio together. Then once you have done all this, once you have identified your parts, once you have learned the skill on that part you have identified, you have done practice simulations, and then you are able to gain trade psychology and risk mastery, have the right network, and then with the right network, you're able to build the right portfolio, then you are going to become an expert, and then you are going to get another stream of income, another passive means of income. So who is a forex analyst? So a forex analyst is like a weather forecaster, but for currency markets. So basically, we know how weather forecasters just tells us if rain is going to fall in a particular region, or if sun is going to shine in a particular region. They use skill sets, or they use particular tools to be able to know what's going to happen. That's what a forex analyst also does. A forex analyst uses different skills, different methods, different tools to know what the forex market is going to do, if the forex market is going to move up, or if the forex market is going to move down. So, like I said, the forex analyst studies the market, studies the price movements. Studying markets means listening to fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis here means listening to news, listening to news. Basically, that's what fundamental analysis means. So when you listen to news, you can know, okay, what this market is going to do. Fundamental analysis is like one of the major effects on your forex market, or even your cryptocurrency market. So you have to study that particular currency pair as a forex analyst. You have to know, okay, what is happening in the United States, or what is happening in Great Britain right now? How can it affect their currency? It's going to make their currency price reduce in value, or it's going to make their currency price increase in value. Then uses technical analysis. Using technical analysis here means looking at the charts of the particular currency pair you are looking at, or looking at the chart of the particular cryptocurrency you're looking at, and then analyzing it, knowing okay what I want to do with this chart, or using different chart patterns to analyze that particular chart to know okay where is this chart going to go to, because you have seen specific chart patterns on that chart, you know okay you can be able to predict the opportunity. That brings us to number three, predicting the opportunity, to know okay if this market is going to rise or if this market is going to get low. So for you to be able to predict the opportunity, to be able to predict the currency markets, you should, number one, do your fundamental analysis. Number two, you should also do your technical analysis, and then you should be able to predict the opportunities in the market, to know if the market is going to go down or it's going to go low. Then the forex analyst also advises traders, or he takes the trades themselves. Advising trader here means a whole lot of forex analysts, they work with other companies or other brands to trade forex. Even the banks, your traditional banks, they also pay people to be able to trade forex for them. So being a forex analyst is actually can actually give you job opportunities, right? So you're trading for big corporations, you're trading for large corporations, you're trading for banks. And then when you trade for these banks, you already have your profit you are going to be taking from each trade you make. If you make a profit of 60%, you can have a deal with the bank that okay, take your 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 share from that 60% profit is, let's say, 30% or 20%, and then you take your 20%. And the money you are using to trade is not your money, it's the corporation's money, it's the bank's money. So yeah, you don't really have much risks at hand, and then you have greater reward, because the higher the amount you put in forex trading, the more the money, the more the amount you can be able to get from it. So go ahead. Being a forex analyst, we are going to teaching the course on who a forex analyst. We are going to be taking the course right here on on our cohorts, that is upcoming cohorts. We are going to talk on introduction to forex trading. We are going to touch on core trading concepts, integration of MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, the navigation. And then I just showed us how to navigate on MetaTrader 5, but that's not all there is to how to navigate to MetaTrader 5. Then we're going to talk about technical, fundamental, and sentimental analysis. We're going to talk about support and resistance level. We're also going to talk about candlestick and chart patterns. We're going to talk about leverage, lot size, and spread. I didn't cover spread. I covered lot size. Leverage is for trading on centralized exchanges. So leverage is just like lot size, but leverage is for when you're trading on centralized exchanges. Then we are going to talk about risk management strategies. We're going to talk about advanced trading strategies. We're going to talk about Fibonacci levels, your pivot points, and your Elliott waves. I mean, oh, there are a whole lot of, they're looking like big words, but I promise you that not really anything. So while we're going to break it down, we're going to break it down to the simplest form. Then we're going to talk about time frames and confluence, the 1 hour time frame, the 30 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame. Then we're going to also talk about sections, your New York sections, your Japanese sections, and a whole lot of other sections. Then we're going to also talk about your how to generate trade signals. Like I said before, when we're talking about your success strategy, after learning everything, because all the topics you are going to learn is just the skills. So after learning the skills, and when you're learning the skills, you're also learning the skills with other people. What is the end goal? Is going to, you're supposed to learn how to generate trading strategies, how to be able to provide trading, how to be able to provide signals for people to enter, or how to be able to build a portfolio so much that you can be able to land a job with a corporation, you can be able to land a deal with a corporation, and you can be able to trade with those corporations' money. So the learning timeline is going to be 1 month of learning and 1 month of mentorship. Like I said before, being a forex analyst, being a spot analyst is like a tech skill. You have to constantly learn about it. You don't just learn about it 1 week and say you want to dive into the market. No, you are going to get points, you are going to lose a whole lot of money. So 1 month of learning is there to teach you the whole skills you need to learn. Everything we talked about now, are going to teach you the skills. Then 1 month of mentorship. Mentors are going to be able to guide you on what you need to do, on which path you need to follow, on how to get better. Then We're going to be having these classes twice every week on Saturdays by 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. West African time, on Sundays by 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. West African time. So the tools are going to be using MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, TradingView, Forex Factory for your news. Then we're going to be using Mexi Global for your technical analysis. Remember, we said technical analysis is for when you want to trade on, it's just like trading of your currency pairs on your centralized exchanges. So we're going to talk about them. Then you can also I'm going to also use more tools like Deriv too. We're going to use Deriv, we're going to use Excel as part of the tools. So that's all about the Forex analyst. Then who is a sports analyst? So a sports crypto analyst is like a gold trader who studies the market trends to determine when to buy and sell physical gold. But instead of gold, they analyze cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana in the spot market, where transactions happen instantly at current market price. Like what I said earlier, a sports analyst, who is a sports analyst? A sports analyst also analyzes the market, but a sports analyst analyzes the cryptocurrency market or even the stock market. But now we're talking about a sports crypto analysis. So a sports crypto analyst analyzes the cryptocurrency markets, analyzes, okay, what is Bitcoin going to do, or what is another different cryptocurrency token going to do? Is it going to go up? Okay, if it's going to go up at this particular point, I'm supposed to buy, and then when it goes up, I sell. I wait for it to go down again, and I buy again. So a sports analyst literally buys low and sell high at the current market price. It can buy low or sell high at the current market price, or it can literally set a limit order. So the difference between a sports analyst and a forex analyst is that a sports analyst, when you buy the cryptocurrency, you actually have that a quantity, like let's say you buy Bitcoin now as a sports analyst, you actually have one Bitcoin. But when you are trading it as a forex analyst, or when you are trading it as a technical, when you are using technical analysis to trade it, you don't have that particular cryptocurrency. You don't have it. This is the corporation that is going to, let's say you are using Deriv now. Deriv borrows you a particular amount of money to be able to trade. So you are trading against that particular cryptocurrency, you are trading against that particular exchange, and that particular foreign currency. So when you are trading as a forex analyst, you don't have that particular currency, you don't have that particular cryptocurrency, you don't have that particular foreign currency. But when you are trading as a spot analyst, you have that particular cryptocurrency that you are buying or you are selling. Then you have once there's a spot analyst, though, he also does market research like the crypto, like the forex analyst, because there are different news that affect particularly spot coins, like cryptocurrency coins, like blockchain activity, what's happening in the blockchain. Is there a real lot of volume entering the blockchain, that particular blockchain, or news? Is that particular cryptocurrency facing trials? That particular cryptocurrency facing trials? Are they going through problems? Is that particular cryptocurrency going through different problems? So that's what market research means. That is your fundamental analysis. The technical analysis, if spot analyst also has knowledge in technical analysis, right? He also has knowledge in technical analysis, because you should also know how to analyze your charts using chart patterns, using indicators, and a whole lot more. Then fundamental analysis, like I said before, as fundamental analysis here also means regulations, adaptation rates. Like I said, adaptation rates means, okay, is this coming like there's something they call ETFs. ETFs. So is this point being adopted? Spot ETF, what I mean here, ETFs are when their particular cryptocurrency is already in the stock market, that you can buy it as a stock. Because right now we have that Bitcoin is already a stock, so you can buy Bitcoin as actually a stock. Then we have risk management, knows when to buy and sell. You must actually have knowledge of risk management. You must have risk management strategy as a sports analyst. So we're going to also be teaching the sports analyst program. We're going to be covering on introduction to sports trading on centralized exchanges, trading on decentralized exchanges, taking yield finance, narratives and research, risk management in trading, risk and reward ratio and position sizing, trading stocks versus trading crypto, trading stocks on traditional markets. So we're going to talk about everything I just mentioned. And the learning timeline is still the same thing as the Forex analyst, 2 months, 1 month of learning and 1 month of mentorship. Then the classes are also going to hold on Saturdays by 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. West African time, and on Sundays by 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. West African time. Tools are going to be using the CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Bamboo for your trading of stocks. Then you have centralized exchanges as Binance. You are also going to be using the central Dex Screener, CoinMarketCap, and CoinGecko to be able to know the cryptocurrency you are going to buy. Know, okay, um, which category do they fall under? Are they AI tokens? Are they reward assets tokens? Are they gamified tokens? So each cryptocurrency tokens are actually under a particular category. So we're going to dive into that. We're going to know how to, okay, which particular cryptocurrency trend now is reigning. Is it the AI tokens? Are they the ones doing so well? Is it gamified projects? Are they the ones doing so well? So we're going to touch on all that. So how do we position you for success? Here at Final, we believe in the TS plus TPRM equals to success. TS means technical skills, and then TPRM means trading psychology and risk mastery. So your technical skills are learning how to become a forex analyst, learning how to become a sports analyst, knowing, okay, if you want to become a forex analyst, for instance, you know how to use your Fibonacci levels, you know how to use chart patterns, you know how to know the meaning of your lot size, the meaning of your spread, how to place your trades, and many more. So once you have those technical skills, you should also have your trading psychology, because it's not just enough to have your technical skills. Because you can have technical skills and then you are still scared. You don't know when to leave the market or when to enter the market. Those are trading psychologies. And then you should also know risk mastery. It's also very important that you should know how to manage your risks, because you should not just be blow your account. When I mean blow your account, you should not just lose your total account. You should know how to manage your risks. Okay, which particular lot size am I going to use, or which particular leverage am I going to use? What amount of money am I willing to risk, and how do I put this risk in my trading? You should be able to know how those calculations, because they're all calculations, right? So once you have your TS, your technical skills, plus your um trading psychology and risk mastery, is meant to give you success. So that's what we are going to give you. Once we have been able to teach you your technical skills, and then once we are able to give you your trading psychology and your risk mastery, by being under the tutelage of a mentor for a month, and then being in a sound community for a very long time, our alumni community, you should be able to gain your trading psychology and risk mastery skill. Then you should be equal to success. Success means, yeah, you should be able to have a passive income, be able to create passive income. So our additional services that we offer here at Klein, we have one-on-one sections with experts. So you can literally book a one-on-one section with experts. You can we have a structure in place where you can book your one-on-one sections with experts, and then the experts are available at that particular time and date that you need those sections. Probably you have questions you want to ask, or things that you saw during the week and you want to ask your trainer or your facilitator about more. You want to know more about them, you can book a one-on-one section. Then there are going to be live trading analysis. You are not going to just be dropping signals for you. We are going to see the signals ourselves, and we are going to develop the signals together. It's not just good to be dropping signals and then nobody is learning. You are just going to be seeing signals. No, 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 no. That's not how we are going to do it here at Kayo. We are going to develop the signals together. We are going to look at the market together and analyze the market together. Then navigating financial investments, we have financial experts that are going to be teaching us on how to actually manage our finance, on how to know how to divide our money into different ways, or different parts in life, like particular money we need for investment, particular money we need to save, because saving is also actually very good. Then with the particular money you need to put in your cryptocurrency, or you need to put in your forex trading. We are going to have that. We have that structure in place. Then we have the market rundown. Market rundown is going to be done daily and weekly, because you can't really see the whole market. One person can't analyze the whole market. So market rundown is going to be done by everyone in the community, because different people have different currency pairs that are good at monitoring or good at trading at. Then we also have an alumni community. Having a community of people that you guys have like minds are going is going to also help you to become a better forex analyst or a better crypto analyst, because they help to show you, okay, this is what I know how to trade with, or this is what I saw, or this is what I'm learning right now, or this is how I'm improving myself to become a better forex analyst. So our next cohort is starting June 6th, and we're currently running a discount of 40,000 naira for the first 20 people. Slots are almost filled up. It's remaining like less than 5 people to join, and the cohort is June 6th. So May has already come to an end. We have like 2 more days to end May. Then the cohort is starting June 6th. If you are not able to register before or on June 6th, you are going to have to shift it to our next cohort, and that's going to make your journey that's going to prolong your journey in sport analysis or forex analysis. Better you get this knowledge now, and you start making your passive income, and getting you start getting better and knowing how to invest right. So I'm going to take us through the client registration hub, what and what you need to do, how you need to go ahead for the registration. Okay, just give me a moment. So the link for the registration is going to be sent to group chat. That's already been sent. So once you click on that link, share my screen. All right. So once you click on that link, you get into the client registration hub. And once you enter into the client registration hub, you have our Instagram, a brief what client is all about. There's a brief write-up about what client is all about. And then we have our social media handles here. Facebook and Instagram, you can go to visit our Facebook and Instagram to see more about us, know more about us, to see what we have been doing, what have been building in the past, or what have been up to. Then we have chat to Clinial. If you have any questions to ask about Clinial, just click on chat to Clinial. There's someone at the back end that's going to answer you. Then get access to our program brochures. So we're currently running two programs, that is the forex analyst and the sports analyst. So once you click on get access to our program brochures, you can see what we are going to offer you, the topics we are going to touch, and everything we are going to offer you when you register with us. So yeah, you have to upload your receipt when you're done with your payment. So we're going to visit store to see how to make this payment. Right, you just give it a moment. Page loading. All right. Okay, so if you want to make payments for our spot analyst course for next night, you just click on it. Once you click on it, takes you to this page. Now all you have to do is you click on secure a seat. Once you click on secure a seat, you have to put your full name, your email address, and then you should also put your phone number, but it's optional, but you should put it. This email address is going to be very important, because once you make payments, excuse me, a receipt is going to be sent to your email confirming that your payment has been received. So once you are done with that, you just click on proceed. Looks good. Then if you want to pay through your debit card, you put your debit card details here. Or if you want to pay through bank transfer, a payment link is going to be sorry, an account number is going to be sent, projected on your screen to be able to make your bank transfer. So once you just make your bank transfer, it's going you then you can just also then when you make your bank transfer, you click on continue, and then your receipt is going to be sent directly to your email, and that's all. That's the bank transfer loop. That's this bank transfer loop. Let's allow the bank transfer loop. So see what I'm talking about. All right. So can select your bank. Then this is after if you want to transfer rather transfer, this is our account number. So you just click on it. Bank name is pay tax titan and the amount. And once you have done, you click on I have sent the money, and then it's going to an email is going to send to you that will have received your payment. So that's all on the registration. So everyone should please ensure to register on time and make good use of um our discount that is currently going on. So please does anyone have a question? Robert, please you have a question, or are you clear on the whole derive and MetaTrader 5? Do you have any other question that you want to ask that I can answer? How want to be for you to be able to become like me, you just have to keep practicing, and then be able to, because when you keep practicing, you'll be able to know a whole lot. I've been in the crypto space personally for 5 years, and then I tried trading Forex 3 years, that is 2 years. I've been in the Forex space for 3 years and then crypto space for 5 years. So it's not something that I just started now. It's constant training and learning, constant experience, constant mistakes I've made. And then if you want to also be like me, you can also register for our program, our Forex analyst program or sports analyst program. I'm going to be part of the facilitators taking the classes, and we're going to dive deep down. We're going to simplify everything. We're going to talk about mistakes I've made, and how to get better and not to make those mistakes. Sorry, do you have a question?
Yes.
Okay. This
Hello.
I can hear you.
Hello. Good evening. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. I can hear you.
I think. Hello. What you've told us now, I think the lessons of today have been very self-explanatory. But I think we seem to see that the using a phone is very limiting. So, what do you advise? I think should we just go
Limiting.
for yes, I mean using a phone compared to doing this stuff now on a system.
Okay.
I think there's a little slight.
For the example like this, all mobile. I didn't use system. I didn't use system. I use mobile phones. Why I use mobile device mobile screen to place our transactions, because most times when we want to place our trades, right? We are not always with our system. We can't be carrying our desktop all around. It's our mobile phones that are always with us. So the mobile phone is way easier to
Okay.
place trades.
Okay.
Yes, mobile phone is way easier to place trade, and that's why when I always do practical classes, I always use mobile phones to make those practical examples, because it's easier to place trades. It's easier to, if you want to buy your stocks, you can also buy your stocks on your mobile phone using your Bamboo app. Everything is also easy, but there are still certain benefits of using your desktop. But a mobile phone cannot
Okay.
also not really limit you with what you want to do.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
All right, no problem. Yeah, welcome. All right, that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining my the masterclass section.